When it comes to your business, staying one step ahead is important, and Commercial Link is designed to help by offering a simple yet powerful solution that connects to your business vehicles to maximize the efficiency of your business. Commercial Link helps you keep a pulse on your vehicles for as little as $12 a month plus tax.
My business moves fast, and because of Commercial Link, I don't need to check where my guys are. I know where they are. I'm able to check their location, make sure they've made it to a particular job site.
Your active OnStar subscription makes it all possible, so there's no hardware or equipment to install. Simply create a Commercial Link account for your business online at www.gmcommerciallink.ca. Then enroll eligible vehicles to that account using your existing OnStar username and password. Enter your business's billing information and you're ready to go. You can visit my.gm.ca to activate your OnStar account if you haven't already done so.
Signing up for Commercial Link is easy because of the embedded OnStar equipment. When I go to the dealer, I always ask if OnStar is installed before buying a new vehicle.
Once you're enrolled, you'll have access to an easy-to-use dashboard where you can keep tabs on your vehicles.
I get real-time speed alerts letting me know if my drivers are exceeding the speed limit. If tools break down on location, I can quickly identify the closest job sites with working equipment. That way we can share equipment until things get repaired.
Commercial Link can be customized to fit your business needs 24 hours a day. Plus, you can make custom reports to help analyze your operation. So you can look at trends, separate personal and business trips, add expenses, and get historical data analysis.
Yeah, I really like that I can log on right from my phone. Commercial Link takes the burden of the fuel up expense reports and the timesheets off my plate.
It's all about helping improve your business productivity. Put Commercial Link to work for you for as little as $12 a month plus tax with the activation of your vehicle's OnStar plan. Sign up today and get a 30-day Commercial Link trial.
Commercial Link is terrific, and the price is great.